In this video, we're going to walk through the process of setting up approvals and applying an approval process to your bills and expenses. To get started, you're going to scroll over to Settings, click Other, and scroll down to Approvals. Under Approvals, you're going to add an approval process to all expenses, so we'll click Yes. In this example, we want to apply a preset policy where any dollar amount for an expense or bill that's greater than $500 will have to go through the approval process. Next, we have the option of editing expenses or bills after they've been routed for approval. The options there are never, always, or only before the last person approves this bill. In this case, we're going to say never, and we're going to say allow management overrides, and we can add different managers that can override bills. And now we're going to set our default approvers. In this example, I want the project manager for the job to first approve a bill. Then we're going to have Amber from Finance do the final approval. Click Save. Now if you create a new bill, you'll notice at the bottom it shows who's next in line to approve the bill. So let's say that ABC Concrete sent us a bill. It was on Wahlburgers, put our date. At the bottom you can see that James, the project manager for that job, is the first up for approval, followed by Amber. We can also manually add in an additional approver up to 3. So I'm going to add this as a subcontractor, Division 03, and we're going to say it is a $10,000 bill. I could add lien waivers, I could add a note, but I'm going to click Save. And now when we go over to Accounts Payables and go to Bills, under Pending Approval, you can see that there's a bill number 1350 from ABC Concrete, that's in James, the project manager's court to approve. Now as a manager, I can come in, I can override this approval, and once I do this, it's going to move from the pending approval queue to the waiting to be paid queue. So from here, we can go through the process of creating a payment and paying out that vendor. In the next video, we'll walk you through the process of creating payments against an approved bill.